Now we will see the fourth question's third one. It is given here sec a plus 10a and 1 minus sin a, and we have to here it is given a option. A is given here a sec a, then b is given here a sin a, c is given here a cosec a, and d is given here a cos a. So from this all we have to choose it here. It is given sec a plus 10a and 1 minus sin a equals to what will come, that we have to write. So here now again same thing we will do it here. We will write down here sec a plus 10a, and second one will write down 1 minus sin a. So for that one same, I have previously also explained you that we will convert second 10 into a sin and cos, and here it is given 1 minus sin a, that's why we are converting here. So we will write down here sec is 1 upon cos a plus 10 is sin a upon cos a, and same here we will write down 1 minus sin a, right? So here we will write down by finding the LCM 1 plus sin a upon cos a, and here 1 minus sin a, though it is in a numerator, so we will write down in this form also. Now 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, that is a plus b and a minus b. The same thing we are using identity, that it is given here a plus b and a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So we will write down here that 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, so we can write down here 1 minus sin square a upon cos a, right? Now here if we can see the identity, whatever it is given here, that is our 1 minus sin square a equals to cos square a. Our identity is here cos square a plus sin square a equals to 1, and we can write down here cos square a equals to 1 minus sin square a. So in place of cos square a, in place of 1 minus sin square a, we can write down what, cos square a. So here we will write down here cos square a upon cos square a, cos a, right? Now here cos a and 1 square will be cut, so our answer will come as a cos a. So our option, we can see it here, our option will come as a D. So this is our option for the third one, that will come as a cos a. Now we will go to the fourth one sum, that is given here 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a equals to, and our options are given here. A is given sec square a, then b is given you a minus 1, c is given you a cot square a, and d is given here a tan square a, right? From here we have to choose it. Now it is given 1 plus tan square a, and a denominator is given 1 plus cot square a. Now we are knowing here that if we are writing here cot a equals to 1 upon tan a, and we are knowing here tan a equals to 1 upon cot a. We are not converting into sin and cos, because we are knowing this one basic, that cot a equals to 1 upon tan a and tan a equals to 1 upon cot a. Now it is written 1 plus tan square a. So in place of tan a we can write down 1 up tan a we can write down 1 upon cot a, or in place of cot square a we can write down 1 upon tan a. Any one you can write down it. We are writing here that we are writing here in place of cot we are writing what, 10. So we are writing at 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus 1 upon tan square a, right? So this is our first step after the question, and then now we will find the LCM. So we will get it here 1 plus tan square a upon tan square a will be multiplied with the 1, so tan square a plus 1 upon tan square a. Now here it is in denominators, denominator is a tan square a, so it will become a numerator. So we can write down here tan square a 1 plus 10 square a upon 1 plus 10 square a. Now both in a numerator denominator 1 plus 10 square and 1 plus 10 square is the same, so we will cut it here. We will get here a answer 10 square a, that is our option 4, that is a D. So this way we will find out all the options what we have find out to the MCQ, but you should be clear that where which thing you have to use it. You are free to use it, but we need a right answer, so we are using the form and we are writing the answers.